That could be. It's true. It could be that. And if it is, then we'll have to come down below the prior highs there. So let's take a look. Ah, there we are. Okay, sell a unit at 34. Sell a unit at 34. So this recent low, and it does look like that's just a quick move up to shake everybody out before going into another leg like this. Great. If we can get this to move lower. If we can. If this can move lower, then we could have a good sized move on the decline. If it's anything remotely close to the last one. And this, it looks like we've just finished a little shakeout move up. Didn't quite come halfway back of the entire decline that we just finished. Okay, we're filled. Get a stop in above at for 1 unit at 81.46. And we'll see how this works out. Doesn't seem to be a lot of interest yet. Maybe this 32 is all she wrote, being those prior lows over there. Another tick, another 2 ticks. Okay, I think we're through that now. Now we will see whether or not there's any kind of move. Not quite ready to do it yet, but I think we're going to bring our stop down above that 40 high, the 81.40 high. If we can get a little bit lower here. Yeah, bring your stop down to 81.41. Reduces the amount of risk we've got on here. I don't think we'll get back up there if we are, in fact, going to make it lower. Yeah, this really does look like it's now it looks like it's starting into another leg. It'd be great. We got to get down below the prior low that we made in the teens, the upper teens there. Once that's done, however, we ought to be immediately targeting obviously the 1 even area and below. Oh, how about this? There we go, break. Okay, sell a second unit down at 20, below the current low. Sell a unit at 81.20, a second unit, and bring your initial stop down to the. Now actually you just got filled again, so bump your stop up to 2 units, and bring it on down to 31. Not quite. Tell you what, bring it to break even right now. Bring it to break even. And let's see how we go here. I think there's going to be more of it. There we are. Another break. Another break. Good. Good. Now, yeah. Okay, bring your stop on down to. Bring it down to 26. And sell another unit, sell a third unit down at 81.10. And bring your stop on down to, bring your stop down to 21, 21, I don't know. Yeah, bring it on down to 21. It's a little close, but at least that way we're not going to get harmed. We'll have a little bit of money in the trade. That might be a little too close. You know, I apologize if we get stopped out here. That might be a little bit too close. We probably should have had it no lower than 25. So if I mistake that, oh, we just got filled on the third unit. Great. So I think we're safe. Bump your protective stop to the full size now. And let's see what we got here. We've got 3 units in place, and on the combined 3 units, we've got a profit. Small, but still, we have a profit on 3 units. And now if we can get anything more, but down here to the 81 even level, and I suspect maybe even a little bit below, then we'd be in pretty good shape. 3 in place. So we were lucky that first, between the first unit and the second unit, we had a full, I think it was 14 ticks. Plenty of room, so this average is actually a lot higher than it would have been if the 2 of those had been closer. So we should be grateful for that. One of the many small things that we should be grateful for. Those things tend to get larger as time goes by, though. Being grateful for things, that is. Okay, 05 is the low here. We really want to get below this. There we go. Okay, now the question is, oh, wow, slam below. Slam down below. Good job. We hit some stops. We got stops. Okay, bring your stop down to, bring it down to 10. Bring your stop on down to 81.10. Giving us some more juice in this trade. And maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. But we want to give it some room on this, because a drop like that where you get some, offer, and then a slice back up again once it finally meets, a buy. I think we want to give that this much room. Granted, I don't want to leave that much, 19 ticks on the table between our low and where the stop is. But I think we have to if we're going to give it enough room. And it seems to me like there should be another move, but I don't know, because we're looking to be comparable. Well, I guess we're pretty close. We're almost the same size as the first leg that we had down earlier, before the New York, or rather earlier this morning, just before this one. There we go. Okay, great. Now let's bring that stop on down to. Now bring it on down to 05. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Okay, good. We're getting another break. Soon, if we get more overlap like this, we're going to have to be bringing the stop down a lot closer. Tell you what, at this point, let's bring the stop down to 01. A few more ticks, but on 3 units, it's not bad. A few more ticks, and we may come up and get it right away. We can go sideways for a little bit also. Okay, so I don't know. I'd like to see. All right. 95. All right, we may find some more. Oh, yeah. I almost spilled my cup of coffee. That would have been great, all over the keyboard and mice. Oh, there we go. Good job. We're a bit lower. Bring the stop down to 91. Bring your stop on down to 91. That's where we'll be. I don't think we're going to come up there. This is great. We've made it down into the 70s. Note, however, we are seeing volume here. That's something of a telltale sign, though. And there may be another ledge, you know, below this. There we go, dropping down again. No, wait, this one's coming back up. This one is coming back up. I leave the stop at 91. There should be plenty of room if we're going to be going lower again. If we get up there, however, though, oops, we are up there. Looks like we're going to get stopped on this. This is a larger rise than anything we've seen thus far. So it's a bit, you know, it's a different scale of any of the other corrections that we've had in this downtrend. So this is probably, we're probably done. Okay, we just got filled. So like I said, yeah, this is now we're going to either go all the way back up again, or we're going to retrace them up before breaking again. So good job, 3 units, nice profit on 3 units, and let's keep ourselves focused here and on to the next trade, because it's going to be, I think that, you know, this kind of move is going to make